Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Gloria's Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme will be music, and next week's theme is down on the farm. So anything farm related, whether it's a cow, a chicken, cowboy, whatever you can think of, if it's down on the farm, you may use it. And we also enter our projects into hashtag Satmorn Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. Make sure you check out the ladies' links down below and use those hashtags. All right, so this week I am using some of these little gems that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And I'm also using this pack of gems, and I don't know where I got it from, who knows. But anyways, I'm using those. From Honeybee Stamps, I am using Christmas Blessings along with the dies. And from Spellbinders, I'm using Christmas Blooms as well as Holiday Blooms. CC Designs, I am using these scallop circles, and I don't know what the name of these. Oh, Circle Shaker. Oh, no, it's not. Anyways, I don't know what the name of these are, but I'm using this one here. And then also the nested dies by We Are Memory Keepers. The last thing that I'm using is this embossing folder from Doris, and it's called Sweet Music. And that's what I'm using there. And here goes this beautiful little card. I put it together so quickly. I was just so surprised how quick it came together. I dug in my garden that I already had, put together these images here, so that made it even quicker. This was already cut out as well from Honeybee Stamps, and so everything was just flowing very well. The only thing I had to do was emboss and cut that little die back there, the circular die, as well as this layering piece, and it was on and popping. I got it done so quickly, and I was so excited about that. And so I did not do the inside of the card, but I did do the outside, and it's adorable. I love how it turned out. So anyways, if you have the time to enter into this challenge this week, it is music. Remember next week's theme, down on the farm. All right, so that's all I have for you. Make sure you use the ladies' links down below, and come back next week. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.